is escort travel interpreting, and the fourth whisper interpreting, and fifth is schedule phone over the phone interpreting, and for the last is on-demand phone interpreting. Yeah, so let's see with the first. The first is simultaneous interpreting. Simultaneous interpreting is the way of translate from source language to target language, but with the during the speaker talk, like for simultaneous interpreting, it's almost have in the big meeting like conference, or they wear the booth, sit and listen to the speaker and present during time of the speaker. So and for the second.
And the second is consecutive. Consecutive means it's a kind of interpreting that means that the interpreter need to stop around 1 minute to 5 minutes, or you can say usually at the end of the paragraph or the end of thought. And after the speaker finish the speech, and then the interpreter start to interpret. And for the method, a good method for doing consecutive is taking note, because and not a lot of people that can remember the speech or the paragraph just one time without lost any detail. So we need to take note, and the way that we taking note is it's not like taking the word of the source language. So when we taking word from the source language, it's harder for interpreter to interpret the meaning to the target language. So we need to taking the meaning of the source language of the speaker source. So interpreter can like translate as idiomatic. So we can say that it's easy for interpreter to interpret. So just thank you.
Okay, so now listen to my point. I want to talk about export or travel interpreting. So in this process, I want to talk about the interpreter, or talk about the person who interpret something, and interpret from target language to everything, or to the customer language. And interpreter need to translate, need to interpret, or you can say overall translate from something, and especially for interpreter not only interpret but can also do everything, just like tour guide, like ordering food, and they have all everything which customer need, or which the guest need. Thank you.
Next, next is my point. I'm responsible for whisper translating. Whisper interpreting. This kind of interpreting is quite similar to simultaneous interpreting. Anyways, translation doesn't need a headphone or microphone.
Okay, and then?
In contrast, the interpreter sits next to it can be a person or a group of people that requirement she or he to translate in the target language. But this kind of interpreting is quite challenging than simultaneous. What's more, this kind of interpreting normally used in business, and the one who interprets need to be admitted to talk softly and translate in order to make the the one who hire or rent she or his, what are beginning at? And next, for me, schedule, telephone, interpreting. This point talk about is the kind of simultaneous and consecutive. When you mean that the translator, you mean that the translate by the telephone when the someone call or you mean that translating by the telephone when someone want to hear only the voice out the speaker, and in the breathing you mean what to throw to the speaker.
And the next on demand phone interpreting. Yes, on demand phone interpreting. They could refer to interpreter. They're like we discuss, we translate through the phone when the customer or like someone they call through the phone, and like another company they answer but they don't understand about the language, and then like interpreter come to translate about it. Yes, thank you.
That's all, right?
Yeah.